Hey everybody, before we get into this video, make sure to subscribe and comment what companies you want me to review in the future. This video is not a stock review, but I do a lot of stock reviews. So if you want to see those, subscribe and comment what companies you want to see. Hello everybody. This is a new kind of portfolio update I will be doing because I found out that I can see when I bought every single share of all of my companies. So I have a spreadsheet here that shows all of it, and we're just going to go through how well me personally I have been doing because I am apparently an amazing investor now. Who would have thought? But I did not know. I had no clue. But anyway, let's get into it. Let me fix that quick. But so, whole portfolio here. I'm going to go through all of it. So I did not buy a single stock other than my mutual fund, which is right here, which actually does not say the date, but I believe I bought it maybe around June or July. But either way, whatever. I'm up almost 10% on it, which is fantastic. That's great for me. I mean, I have a fairly significant sum of it. So, I mean, I would hope that I'm up. But anyway, we're going to go through. So, obviously, my biggest company by a pretty significant margin is Celsius. Um, and most of the reason of that is because I'm down on it. So you could see the shares that I originally bought, I'm down 17% on. I have been averaging down since then. And actually, the last 10 shares of the company I bought, I'm up on, including the last 5 being up almost 10%, which is a fairly good way of just improving the price that you have for a company, is just averaging down. Also, I skipped my treasury bill here, the hottest thing in my portfolio with a 2% gain. That was acquired in July. So pretty cool there, 2%, pretty huge. But anyway, so Celsius, I think I've done a pretty fair job of averaging down on that. Obviously, I have a bit of a way to go with the actual company overall, but I think they'll see decent performance. CHWY, I am up a good amount on everything. And you can actually see I have been sort of averaging up on CHWY, I guess you could say, where my cost per share was actually increasing. That is because I just really like the company. And anything around $30 or below $30, I just think is a great price for that company. So I'm up on all of them, including almost 10% on the first batch that I bought, which is cool. CRNC obviously is my big winner with over 150% on everything. You could see I bought 30 shares at 325, another 20 just under 3, and then 20 at 283. Those I'm up almost 200% on, which is awesome. No complaints there. That's just fantastic way of averaging down. So my average price is fairly low. I believe it is just about at $3 a share, which is fantastic. Same thing with Crocs, where I averaged down there and went from 103 to just under 100, and I'm up 10% on the fourth share that I bought. They have a pretty expensive share price here at $100 each, so I don't have too much of Crocs in terms of shares. Another one is Dollar General, where I think I'm breaking even on the company now. But the first 5 shares that I bought at $82 a share, and then I bought one at 78 and 2 more at 75. So I am up, I think, overall, but just you could see the returns here. So yes, I am up, but just slightly. Obviously, HIMS, I've also done very, very well on. You could see I bought this less than a month ago. Oh, another thing to take into account is the dates here. Like, I've been slowly accumulating Celsius for the better part of 2 months now. I haven't bought any in a bit, only because it's been flattening out a decent amount. But just another thing to look at. I have only been purchasing stocks in this portfolio. Obviously, I've been trading stocks for a few years now, but in this specific portfolio, I only ever had either bonds or money markets, which you can see that's why I still have a bond. But I only started buying stocks in this specific one 2 months ago. And these are the returns on the companies that I have. So, in my opinion, that is fantastic. That is absolutely phenomenal, which honestly it is. I'm just going to say it. It's fantastic. 60% gain on HIMS. The reason I bought 10 shares in one day, it dropped a decent amount in that day, but since then has genuinely only been going up, which is just phenomenal. So you can see cost per share at 21. I don't actually know. Okay, it does not say the actual value of the shares now, but I don't remember. But anyway, Robinhood, again, just another one I bought at an absolutely perfect time. I bought in 2 batches within a few weeks of each other, and unfortunately, I did not buy more. I really, really wish I did, because Robinhood is one of the fastest gainers I have. Same thing with Lululemon, where I only bought 2 shares. Now, they have a pretty expensive stock price, so I actually have a lot of Lululemon, considering I have almost $800 in it now. So for me, at least, that is a lot. And then, yeah, it went up a ton. PayPal up average just about 13.5%, which is nice. Same thing with Snapchat. I think my average is like 16%, just about. And yeah, that's it for the whole portfolio. One thing I want to point out, this is the returns here of all of my stocks overall. And my average return for starting investing, which I believe the first one I bought was PayPal on October 10th. And I am up 37% on average, which is insane. So that's all I have. Hope you enjoyed me talking about how good I am for 10 minutes. But yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see everybody next time.